Hey guys, here is my nothing ear1. As you can see, the covers of both the ear1 buds called remote. As you can just check out. I tried sticking with the Fevicol, but it does not work well. So I'm gonna try with this B7000. I haven't used it previously. It's completely an experiment. Let's see if it works or not. This plastic is very fragile. I'm not applying directly to the ear1 so that it will be messed up. This costed me 195 rupees from the Amazon. As you apply a thick layer, it will look very messed up. So I'm applying a very thin layer. I, I don't suggest this at all. Just experiment if it works for me. If you have warranty, I suggest not to try this. Just to go for a replacement. As you have warranty, they will definitely gonna replace it. I have wrapped up with the rubber band. I'm gonna leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's not as strong as Fevikwik. We can remove it even after sticking it. I applied to the right one as well, and make sure to apply some pressure. I'm applying some pressure so that it will stick well. I just have this flexible wire. I'm gonna wrap this up tightly. The plastic is very fragile, so just don't apply more force on it. Here are both the nothing ear1 left and right earbuds. I suggest this process only after the warranty if you still want to use them. Usually this glue is used for sticking the mobile components, and it looks some kind of messy and ugly, and they are working fine. After looking it up, the sensors are working perfectly fine. It glued well. It has a good adhesiveness. Earbuds are working perfectly fine. For more interesting videos, subscribe to that GEEK channel.